If you're trying to sell your house in Ohio fast for cash and you don't want to deal with showings or repairs or open houses or months of uncertainty, then this video is for you. Because here's the hard truth. The traditional way of selling works great when everything is perfect, but if life is happening or the house needs work or you're just looking for something quick and a clean solution, you need a different option. My name is Dave Payerchin with Sell House Columbus, also known as Sell House Ohio, and for over 14 years, we've been buying houses all over Ohio directly from homeowners as is for cash. We have hundreds of references, testimonials, and reviews from sellers who wanted a simple, no-pressure process and a convenient closing. So let me walk you through exactly how this works step by step so you know what to expect. Step one is the initial phone call. You call us at 614-300-5151, or you can fill out a quick form on our website, sellhousecolumbus.com. Either way, it's no pressure. This is not a sales call. It's just a conversation where we understand your situation, your timeline, and what you want to have happen. You can tell us what's going on with the property, condition that the house is in, and what kind of closing date that you need. If we're a good fit, we'll move into step number two. Step two is the offer and the agreement. Now, we keep this very simple. We put together a very straightforward one-page purchase contract with no fine print, no fancy legal language, and no confusing terms. And we can do it right over the phone. So you're going to know what the price is, you're going to know the closing date, and you'll know exactly what we're agreeing to. Step three is the inspection. And when I say inspection, I don't mean that we're showing up to nitpick your house or judge your stuff. That's just not what we do. We're simply looking at the major items so we can confirm our plan after we purchase the property. Sometimes I come out, sometimes it's someone from our team, and in many cases, you can simply send in pictures or a video walkthrough, and that's perfectly fine. We're not going to ask you to clean anything, we're not going to ask you to fix anything, and we're not looking for reasons to play games. We just want to make sure that we have a clear understanding of what is going on so the closing stays. Step four is the closing. So we close at a licensed title company, and that matters because the title company protects everyone involved. They make sure that any mortgages or liens get paid off correctly, they handle the paperwork right away, and most importantly, they make sure that you get your fund. And here's the best part. You pay zero closing costs. There's no agent commissions, there's no repair costs, there's no fees coming out of your pocket. Just a clean closing so you can move on. So if you're in Ohio and you want to sell your house fast for cash, as is, with a no-pressure process and to a reputable local company, call us right now at 614-300-5151 or fill out the simple form at sellhousecolumbus.com. And even if you're just exploring your options, reach out to us. We'll talk through your situation, we'll give you a clear answer, and we'll let you decide what is best for you. Call 614-300-5151 or fill out the form at sellhousecolumbus.com, and we'll get started today.